In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Razer mouse software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, you want to hover over PC up top, scroll down here on the left and click on software. From here, you want to download Razer Synapse. Now, when you click on this, it's going to take you into their site over here. It says Advanced Device Control, and as you can see, it says this is going to allow you to customize and control all your Razer devices from one powerful platform. So, of course, if you want to use this for your Razer mouse, whichever mouse you have, just click on download for Windows or for Mac over here, and then you can of course just click on the installer to open it up when it downloads onto your computer, and then you'll see it's going to open up the software and it's going to actually start loading for a bit, and then when everything's ready, click on the continue button, and then from here you can install it by clicking this install button next to Razer Synapse 4, and whenever you do that, of course it's going to be installed to your computer. The process is very simple. You simply have to press a few buttons and you're good to go, and then you'll be able to connect your Razer mouse and then customize it in here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.